Tired of your truck bed getting soaked, dusty, or cluttered? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best tonneau covers on Amazon that'll keep your gear safe and your truck looking sharp. From sleek folding designs to tough all-weather protection, I'll break down what makes each one worth your money. And yes, I'll be completely honest about the pros and cons. Let's get into it. Number 1. Overall best pick. Tiger Auto Truck Bed Tonneau Cover Compatible. The Tiger Auto T3 Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a great balance of durability, ease of use, and value for Dodge Ram owners. Its soft trifold design makes installation simple, no drilling required, and the heavy-duty vinyl material holds up well against rain and sun. The tight seal keeps your truck bed dry and secure, and the low-profile look adds a clean finish. The aluminum frame feels sturdy without adding much weight. One downside is that it can flutter slightly at highway speeds if not latched tightly. Overall, it's a reliable, budget-friendly tonneau cover that delivers solid protection and convenience. Number 2. My second best pick. Tiger Auto Tonneau Cover Compatible. The Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover for the 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 5.5 footbed is a solid pick for truck owners who want reliable protection without the bulk. The durable, weather-resistant vinyl does a good job keeping rain, debris, and UV out of your bed. Its no-drill installation is very user-friendly, and the simple roll-up design gives quick access when you need to haul taller items. One drawback. The vinyl can flap a bit if not secured tightly at high speeds, which may lead to minor noise or strain. Overall, it's a cost-effective, convenient option for everyday protection and flexibility. Number 3. My third best pick. Weatherproof Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Weatherproof Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover for the 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma 5-foot bed with track rail system strikes a practical balance between protection, access, and affordability. Its trifold design lets you open just part of the bed for shorter loads or fully fold it back for tall items. The durable, weather-resistant vinyl provides solid defense against rain, dust, and UV, and the low-profile look keeps your Tacoma's lines clean. Installation is fairly straightforward with the track rail system. One con. At highway speeds, the cover may flutter slightly if not securely latched, and over time the vinyl could show signs of wear if not regularly cleaned. Overall, it's a strong option for Tacoma owners wanting a flexible and protective bed cover. Number 4. My fourth best pick. Shade Idea Tonneau Cover for Jeep. The Shade Idea Tonneau Cover for the Jeep Wrangler JLU 4-door 2018 Plus is a practical and stylish cargo solution. The vinyl cover fits snugly over your rear trunk area, adding a sleek look while keeping belongings out of sight. The matte black finish blends well with the Jeep's aesthetic. Installation is fairly simple. The straps and hooks make it user-friendly and removable when you want open access. The 3-year warranty offers peace of mind. One downside is that the vinyl tends to flap a bit at highway speeds, which can cause noise or wear at the edges. Overall, it's a good pick if you want a clean, low-cost way to cover your cargo area. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick. GPCA Cargo Cover for Wrangler. The GPCA Cargo Cover for Wrangler JKU 2007 to 2018 is a solid, no-fuss option for Jeep owners who want privacy and cargo protection. The easy installation is a big plus. The straps and hooks let you set it up in minutes without tools. It fits snugly in most 4-door models, Sport, Sahara, Rubicon, Freedom, and helps conceal gear from prying eyes, which is ideal for daily use or weekend adventures. The material is lightweight and doesn't weigh down the hatch. One downside, it's not fully rigid, so heavier items might cause sagging over time. Overall, a practical, budget-friendly choice for everyday cargo coverage. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite tonneau covers? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.